There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby sing on back.
I'll just make a random video, me putting shit away. Can you see me? Me in the garage. That's my garage. I'm just outside cleaning up shit. See this? Found it in the trash. Makes a good welding chair. Sometime this week I should have a, what do you call it? I was watching on Steve Summers' channel and he has this cool wireless mic where I could actually walk around and talk to my YouTube channel while I'm recording. So this week, when I go to America, what all the weird, it's with the lighting. My face looks like I'm fucking freaking out. There you go. But yeah, I ordered a wireless mic because when I wander around the garage, you can't really hear me. So, random video. Let me. Right now, I'm tying the cord up on my, what do you call it? My grinder. I gotta flap. There you go. Crazy skin tone. Whoa, look at that. Yeah, let's get out of the light here. Yeah, I always tie it up like this on the end, just so it, what do you call it? Looks neat. Want to see what I did? This is what I did today. A little time I had. If you look, here's my tractor. Let me turn this lower here. Yikes! I've been working on a coat rack. That's my coat rack I'm working on. I'm just gonna clean the table up and put the shit away. So, yeah. I also used my, if you look over here. In the video I used my Fireball Minion Squares, because Fireball Tools makes awesome tools. Other than that, I won't bore you with the rest. I'll, what do you call it? Maybe I'll let you listen to the birds for a few minutes. Hear them? They're having fun. I like birds. Take care, enjoy. Thanks for watching. Well folks, that concludes another video with me doing a little bit of something before it rains. So usually every time I come to weld it frickin' rains, and thunders came and said pack up your shit, I'm going to rain a little while. So I'm listening to the thunder, and usually when there's thunder it's rain. Oh, and like, subscribe, enjoy the channel, do whatever. But thanks for watching.